The magic paintbrush. Mia was a kind but poor girl who loved to draw. She often sketched on old pieces of paper with a broken pencil. One day, while walking in the forest, she found a beautiful paintbrush glowing under a tree. Curious, she picked it up, and as soon as she touched it, she felt a warm tingle in her hand. Excited, Mia ran home and painted a simple flower. To her amazement, the flower came to life, blooming right on her table. She soon realized the paintbrush was magical. It could bring her art to life. Word spread quickly, and greedy villagers demanded Mia paint riches for them. But when they tried to use the brush themselves, it wouldn't work. The brush only responded to Mia's pure heart. Mia used the brush to help her village by painting food, homes, and clothes for those in need. She learned to use her gift wisely and generously. Moral: true kindness cannot be stolen.